25th, 2022. Here I got a call from a lady. No AC. I think I was there last year. It's got an old Goodman system with a real hacked up air handler furnace setup down in the basement. I mean, really bad. So she's an older lady, and she didn't want me to upgrade the system, not just want me to try to keep it going. I mean, the way this A-coil set up down here, and it comes off the side, and what a flippin' mess. But we'll just go over there and see if it might need a juice up, or maybe a capacitor. I think last time I was there, I had to add some gas to it. Typical 22, which shit's not cheap anymore, so I do have some, but price is going up on it. If the compressor's running. She says the filter's been changed inside, so that's not an issue. This looks good. Last time I was there, I think I changed the capacitor and I hit it with the garden hose. Check the yellow. See if it's I got the power off. See if I check our capacitor. Could just be low on gas. Microfarads. Should be a 35.5 there. With 13, that's low. Could be our problem right there. 13. That's our problem right there, maybe. Get another one. 35.5, that's a very common one. Very common. You have to just be careful because she's got the low voltage on there. I don't want to fry nothing. Still got the low voltage hooked up, so we'll do one wire at a time here. Yellow is the Herm, which is a 3 connector. And the brown's the fan. And it should be the 2 connector, the fan. And then this one here is the common. Be the 4 connector. I'll make sure they don't get a good connection, because if not, it'll fry it, right? Have it so you can see the capacitor reading. We'll see if it starts. I don't think the compressor was running before. Doesn't sound like it. Will it run? Compressor's running now. I could hear it. And the warm air's coming out. Capacitor was weak. Not easy being cheesy, Mama. Oh. What happens when it gets hot out? These capacitors shit the bed. Not easy being cheesy. Oh yeah, she's gonna be fine to charge. I did hit it last time I was here with the garden hose. Nice warm air coming out the top. This is already starting to get sweaty, cold and sweaty. That's really hot. I did clean the coil last time I was here. There was an issue with high head pressure. Subcooling wasn't the greatest. Fan's blowing out properly. Pressure's a little high there. I'm not liking the subcooling so much, but see this 32? That's a little high also. I like to give it a little douche, bring that down some. Give it a little how you doing here. How you doing? Bring that down a little bit. Subcooling's high. I did hit this thing good with the hose last time I was here. Keep an eye on this right here. This is gonna start dropping. When that starts dropping, try that right there. See what happens. I didn't put a lot in it. Superheat down a little bit. Suction there at 70 is fine. Thinking that's going to be better there. Head pressure's a little high there at 280. Subcooling's high, but this is a piston, so you gotta go by superheat. I'm good with the 25 or so on the superheat. That's fine with me. there. 24, that's good. I have to stop at Goodman.